Could this be a new setup? I'm going to look at the VIX. The VIX is really, thanks Tango, nice, brought me back on track saying, Patrick, what's up with the VIX? And I'm really trying to figure it out, really looking at the VIX through different angles. I used to look at it through classical charting principles. I looked at it to see could I apply Weinstein stage analysis to it, but it's really a particular chart where it kind of resets close to these low levels. It gives us clues. So what the VIX really tells us, first we got to look at the SPX. What's the relationship with the SPX? SPX. So here's the SPX. The VIX has mostly an inverse correlation with the SPX. Not 100%. Has some glitches where it has no correlation at all. But most of the time, when the VIX goes down, the SPX goes up. And when the VIX goes up, the SPX goes down. So that's one of the clues it could give us. But all this noise, all these candles, these wicks, I'm starting to experiment. Now I'm going to put the 6-month moving average. These are monthly candles. And I'm just going to hide the price action. So now what I have is just a moving average, a pretty fast moving average for the monthly candle chart. But I have all these wicks will be gone, and we'll be able to see what the VIX has been telling us in the past and how we could use it to see where we fit. Always add that weight of evidence to the other elements, your whole checklist, your economic data, your monthly chart patterns. So right here, I'm even going to put my good old-fashioned bars. Bars. Okay, here's my monthly candle bars. No, not that. Candles, not bars. Candles, okay. So let's go to 2007. I had my breakdown right about here. And then we had that retest, and then it went down. So what was happening? The VIX, even as the price action was going up, as the price action was going up on the SPX, it was going down on the VIX, but only to a certain point. Right here, it decided to break out of its base. And that's an indication that, hey, the price action is going up, but markets are scared or something's brewing. And here's your leading indication. If this could be served as a leading indicator, this would be the first step. Say, oh, something's up. The VIX is refusing to go down as the price action is going up. This could be the last gasp of air before everything crumbles. So you keep that in your inventory of tools. Then you have a monthly candle breakdown below an important the monthly close, monthly defiant support. And then it keeps going up. And then you know, okay, something's up. So that's how we could use that as a leading indicator. Did it do that in 2001? Let's check it out. So there was a breakdown right here. Let's see the embryonic breakdown. Where's my high? My high was here. Let's see. Oh. So the VIX was going up. All right, it was going up all the way up to here. SPX. Hey, SPX. Whoa. Why won't you copy? Okay, there we go. SPX going up. Kept going up, but the same thing happening here. The volatility index. Oh, no, that's insane. The volatility index kept going up and up and up way before. So this, you had warning signs a long time before 2001. So the correlation right here could have gotten you trouble. So don't take that. You're off the base right here way before. And then the VIX telling you there's a problem, I'm getting more scared, but it wasn't enough for the price action to stop. So you can't take just the VIX in as a single tool. You have to add it to your other tools, and when they all add up, then you could use that as confirmation. And it already started deflating before it actually crashed, guys. So the signals for 2001 really, really different than 2007. Interesting. So what is it going to be able to tell us right now? That's insane. Trend lines here. The VIX. The SPX keeps going up. The VIX. Patrick. Okay, so the VIX going down, SPX going up. So now we're back into a situation close to pre-2007. And the VIX is starting to go up, even if the price action is even here, smaller level right here. Then remember, this is a 6-month moving average to remove a lot of the noise. So even as the SPX keeps going up, even all the way here. Oh, where are you? Why are you hiding there? Paste arrow. We're having the VIX that's starting to go up right here. So that's a warning sign. VIX going up above levels. Creeping higher and higher. If it breaks out above this, we're starting to consume right now. Even if the price action keeps going up, the VIX is starting to creep up higher and higher, indicating that we're probably entering an area where people are a little bit more fearful. But added that to the monthly defined breakdown we had on the monthly chart, to the economic data with ultra low unemployment rate, with lowered guidance in earnings, with lowered GP, gross domestic product expectations. Man, it really, really starting to pile up, guys. So all this creeping up while the price action is still creeping up on the SPX. For me, we're creating some divergence, and market's telling us something here. Market's giving us another signal here. So we're going to see which one's going to crack first. Either the price action from the SPX gets in line and says, okay, fear is going up and I'm going down. Or the price action decides to go back up, calms the VIX, say, okay, look, there's no problem. There's no economic slowdown. Don't worry about it. Everything's cool. And then we go back to lower levels, guys. Those are just two paths. But right now, I'm leaning more into an explosion upwards of the VIX with a downwards move on the SPX. But you really got to be careful of the VIX. Use it as... Oh, look at that. Use it as a complementary to all your other tools you have in your toolbox. I don't think I'd be able to trade just based on the VIX. And as you saw in 2001, gave slightly very, very early signals. But when those signals coincide with the price action, monthly chart breakdowns, price action below the 12-month moving average, they could be confirming the direction you're looking at, guys. All right, VIX. So let's see if you go up. If you could close, let's see if that moving average keeps going up or down. Maybe I'm just going to start looking at the moving average and not the actual price of it, and see the trend, the tendency of the VIX, where it goes. Either down, creating some stability and upwards move, or going up and starting to create some volatility and to further support some declines in the price action, guys. All right, that's it, VIX. See ya higher. Ciao.